Once you've logged in, either using your Google profile or email and password, you'll land on the dashboard. This is your home base for managing improvement projects. To get started, click New Project. You'll see a short form asking for a few details. These details give our engine context to get you moving and provide meaningful insights. Start with a project name. If you already use internal naming conventions, you can keep them here. Otherwise, the process name is fine. Set yourself as the project owner. Choose the business and industry this process sits within. Then add a problem statement. You can click the Optimize button for assistance here if required, as a good problem statement that highlights bottlenecks and consequences makes a real difference. You'll also see an option to upload files. Only use this if you have relevant documents, such as reports, SOPs, or data, that help illustrate the problem or influence possible solutions. If you don't, you can skip this entirely. When you're ready, click Create Project. This generates your project charter automatically, giving you a clear starting point. As with all the artifacts you will be creating, you can update or refine each row if you'd like, or move straight into the next step. Below the charter, you'll see the improvement phases. These are aligned to the Six Sigma DMake methodology, starting with Define. At each step, click Generate to have ProcessPartner.AI create initial insights based on what you've already provided and updated. But you always have the ability to update after review. In the Define phase, clicking Generate will create your initial SIPOC. This is designed to be a starting point. You can edit anything the AI produces, or move on once you're comfortable. As you progress, each phase unlocks in order. You control the pace. You can edit and proceed whenever you're ready. If you need to workshop the output for clarity or consensus, this is your system of record and can be updated in real time as required. The Maximize icon at each step is useful if you are workshopping using the app and need to share your screen. At every step, you'll see tooltip guidance if you're unsure what to do next. One important phase to highlight is COPQ, cost of poor quality. When you click Generate here, the costs identified are automatically summed and transferred into the Savings/Benefits section of your project charter. This gives you a quantified starting point, but it's not final. Any additional savings or refinements should be manually added to the charter later, as your understanding improves. When you complete a phase, simply scroll back up to the Phases section and click the next one to continue. There's no requirement to rush. The platform is designed to support structured thinking, not force it. This disciplined workflow ensures you proceed in an ordered way to remove assumptions and bias, and let the data tell the story. The key thing to remember is that ProcessPartner.AI guides you through a proven improvement workflow. By following the phases in order, you build the discipline needed to identify true root cause, implement effective corrective actions, and put controls in place to sustain the gains. The platform provides structure. You bring the judgment, and together they drive meaningful, lasting improvement. Be sure to check out our YouTube library for more videos including use cases and tips for getting the most out of the platform.